Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of your scarf, shawl and tie belt getting all tangled up in your closet? Well, we have got you the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 10 circle plastic ring hanger, the ultimate closet organizer for your accessories. The multiple color hanger is designed to keep your item neatly stored and easily accessible. With 10 separate rings, you can hang multiple scarf, shawl, tie and belt all in one place. No more searching through messy piles, just grab and go. Made from durable plastic, this hanger is built to last. Its sturdy constructions ensure that your accessories won't slip or fall off. Plus, the multicolor design add a fun and vibrant touch to your closet. It's both functional and stylish. The 10 circle plastic ring hanger is incredible easy to use. Simply slide your scarf and shawl, tie belt through the rings and you are good to go. It's quick, convenient and saved your valuable closet space. Say goodbye to glitter and hello to organizations with the 10 circle plastic ring hanger. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking streamline their closet. So why wait, grab your own 10 circle plastic hanger today. The experience, the convenience and organization it brings. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more great product and organization tips, guys. If you want to purchase this product, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care.